me into bodybuilding, but bodybuilding was a different form of obsession around food.
I can imagine.
So while I thought I was healthy and I was in a better state physically on the outside, my inside was still a mess. Right? I had major gut issues. I had chronic hypoglycemia. I was eating every 2 hours. And it was just, again, every single day consumed with food. What am I eating? When am I eating it?
Right.
Even though I thought it was healthier.
Talk about anxiety, stress, and messing up the mind.
Yes.
Also. So, I mean, just a total train wreck, basically.
Basically, but you look good on the outside.
Yeah.
Right? You look good on the outside.
Right.
And I wanted to get away from that. I wanted to reach a point where food is no longer a nemesis. And again, that's a big part of what I do to help clients now.
Right.
Take that enemy away and welcome them back into life in a way that supports you. And it's complicated for a lot of people because there's a lot of things that trigger them. And what do you do? What is food? Everything is very confusing now.
Right.
Right.